Guys, I got two of these ultrasonic humidifiers for my house, and I just want to show you something that I learned about these things. As the temperatures get cold below freezing, I like to run these in my house in the winter time. I got another one over here in the kitchen area, and then I got another one over there in my office area. It's early morning, like 3 o'clock in the morning. And I haven't been running them since yesterday. See humidity at 20. Now when I'm running them both, the humidity gets up around 40, about 50%. But with the humidity low, see how the flame's blue? Well, if I run them and I get the humidity up, the flame will be orange. I'll show you later. When I turn these on, they give off like a little vapor. And it feels so much better when it's at 40%, 40-50%. Now it's awful dry in here at 20. I could feel it in my throat and breathing. I'll turn this one on too. They fill right up with water. And just dump the water right in. These are pretty nice units. You can dump the water right in the top here. And they're pretty nice units. I got them off Amazon. I got another one here. See, pretty flipping low on the humidity. I like to run those. There's just like 2 gallons here. Twice a day. That's 4 gallons, 8 gallons a day I usually dump in my house. I got a little tiny house. It's only like 500 square feet. So these are supposed to be good for 1,000 square feet, but I got 2 of them in my house. I'll show you later. I'll do some shots of when the humidity gets up to about 50% later today. I'll do you some shots of what the gas looks like. It's orange. It's about 30%. I wonder. It's seeing 34% here. I wonder. What's this one saying? 42%. This one's about 35. So let's see what it looks like now. I'm just getting home from work. Yeah, see how it's orange? See that? That's from the humidity from the humidifier. Check that out, huh? That's what the humidifier does to the flame on the gas. Remember it was blue before? Yeah, it's comfortable. Makes the air a lot better to breathe and everything, but kind of screwed me up with that orange flame. Never a dull moment, Mama.